that with the right hand. That D is the highest note. You need to make sure that at some point you move your hand up to the D so that you don't run out of the fingers. Yeah. On the left hand, so for the first 3 bars, I just play F and A together. And then I want G and B flat. Now, when you play the organ, you want to make sure everything is legato. One way to do it is to make sure that you use this 1-4 finger first, and then use 2-3. You can do 3-5 and 4-2, but depends on how you feel comfortable. Like that. And then for the next line, now on the left hand, I have E, G, and then I have F, A, D, and then we have G, B, but this time we'll play B natural. Yeah, it sounds very nice. Again, over here, to play things really legato, you can use 3-5, 4-2, and 1-3, and substitute your fingers to 2-4. If you don't like your fingers 3-5 to play the piano because it's quite hard, you can do 2-4, 1-3, substitute again. Yeah. And next phrase is exactly the same as the beginning. Lastly, we play melody again. And on the left hand, we play 2 notes, E, G, F, A. And this time, because you want to play that black note again, play it again.